Good morning, everybody. I'm Mike Bjork. Happy Friday to you all. It's Friday, December 12th. We got a few economic news releases scheduled for today. We got the Producer Price Index. This is the inflationary number for the wholesale side of things. It doesn't have a lot of weight, but it does give us some insight as to potential inflationary numbers where they may lead to. Primarily because the reason why it doesn't have as much weight is because sometimes when the inflation goes up on the wholesale side, extra costs that are associated with those goods don't always get passed on to the consumer, and that's what we will weigh more is what's affecting the consumer. So, back in October, we had 0.2%. Forecast for November was supposed to deflate a little bit to negative, deflated to negative 0.2%, and a lot of that is attributed to the drop in the energy prices. Last but not least, we got the consumer sentiment for the month of December. Back in November, we had 88.8. The forecast is supposed to go up a little bit to 89.6, and we had a whopping 93.8. This is actually the highest reading we've had on the consumer sentiment since in nearly 8 years, January 2007. So this is the highest rating we've seen since then. So good numbers. That means people are feeling a lot better about where things are moving, where things are going, jobs and stuff like that. So this bodes well for the economy. Right now, the stock market's down, so even though we got some good news there, economic news, it's all due to the drop in oil prices. There's concerns, the investors have concerns that it's going to affect on a global level here, where Europe's already facing issues of deflation. Japan's been, in a dire crisis for over a decade, nearly 2 decades now, and that this could even add more deflationary pressures to those economies for those folks, which, since we're on a global level here, everybody's kind of intertwined, so this could affect everybody and create, well, as one analyst put it, basically he thinks it could put us into recession and potentially even another depression here. So we'll see. We don't know if it'll be that drastic, but it's possible we could have some future issues with this. So we'll have to kind of wait and see. The U.S. right now is looking okay, but you know, like everybody else around us, we have to worry about what they are doing because it does affect us at some point too. It's a good day for bond markets, as you can see. It jumped up. We had a nice little spike in the bond market, and we're getting some improved price rates. So good numbers right there overall. So nice to looking into the weekend here. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So nice interest rates for us all. All right, folks. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope I look forward to see you guys on Monday, and enjoy the weekend. And stay dry if you're in SoCal. We're getting hit with that big rainstorm from up north. Of course, we're not getting hit as hard as them. I think we're only expecting 1 to 2 inches versus I think they were getting like 6 or 7 inches. But anyways, you guys enjoy yourselves and have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.